Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need Python and Jupyter installed. Once they are, open your project folder in a terminal. You'll run Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab and a browser tab will open. Create a new Python 3 notebook and name it clearly. You should save often, use Ctrl+S or the save icon. If you use virtual environments, activate the environment before starting Jupyter so kernels match installed packages. This prevents package mismatches and keeps reproducibility. You'll alternate between writing code and documenting with Markdown. Start with a brief plan in a Markdown cell, then implement functions in small code cells to keep outputs manageable. Run cells with Shift+Enter, and if state gets messy, restart the kernel and run cells top to bottom. Use magics like %timeit for performance checks and %matplotlib inline for plotting. For missing libraries, install with pip install package in a cell. Then restart the kernel to ensure imports. You'll finalize by cleaning outputs, adding a title and summary, then exporting to HTML or PDF for sharing or pushing the IPIM to Git. Use Jupyter Lab or Env extensions for improved navigation and versioning. If the kernel fails or hangs, first restart it and run cells incrementally to isolate the issue, check error messages, and reinstall or upgrade conflicting packages. One key troubleshooting tip: clear all outputs and restart the kernel. Then run cells sequentially to reproduce and pinpoint failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.